So what is this passage about? This passage is about a particular Canadian novel, and the passage starts by saying that the novel displays a native sense of interconnectedness between the present and the past. The The passage also mentions a particular excerpt from an interview wherein the author of the novel talks about how this sense of interconnectedness is lost in the mainstream culture. And then later on, in the bottom half of the passage, the author talks about various aspects of the novel. So let's look at the first question. Which of the following can be inferred from the passage? Asinivi is an author of Libra School. No, that is not true. This is a separate novel mentioned here, and somewhere else we have the mention of Asinivi. So there is no connection between these two. So we cannot say this. Asinivi, like Highway, is a native playwright. The only connection between Highway and Asinivi is that their storytelling are similar. It does not mean that Asinivi is a native playwright. That's not correct. KRON0 is a genre dealing with Aboriginal artists. Now, this is a genre in which the novel has been written, but we cannot conclude that this genre is dealing only with Aboriginal artists. This is not true. Canada's social history has had heavy influence of Europeans. That is true. There are two specific places where this is mentioned. Is obsessed with history and the native legacy of European colonization. That is one place. Also, here at the bottom of the passage, there is a mention of reconstructing the inevitably hybridized identities of contemporary First Nations people. So that means their identities have been hybridized, which talks about influence of the Europeans. So this is a good option. Let's keep it. Native Canadian mythology depicts strong family connections. Yes, there are strong family connections in Native Canadian novels, but we do not know anything about mythology. So this is not correct. The only option that we did not remove was D, which is the correct answer.